Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so the update can proceed smoothly. Check your phone model and OS version. This determines which GPS firmware or location services update you need. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and enable location/GPS in settings so the device can download and apply files. Make sure your battery is at least 30% or plug into power to prevent shutdowns. These steps avoid partial updates and reduce the risk of corrupting GPS calibration data. You now fetch and apply the update. Open Settings, go to System or About, and check for system updates. Install any available firmware that mentions location or GPS. Next, update your map and location apps via the App Store so software and firmware align. During installation, grant necessary permissions, since location services need access to sensors. If a firmware package needs manual install, follow on-screen prompts carefully and reboot when requested. Restarting completes calibration routines and reloads updated drivers for accurate. Finish by validating the update and correcting any residual issues. You should calibrate the compass when the system requests it, and then test GPS accuracy using a map app by checking your coordinates and route tracking. If accuracy is off, clear the map app cache, toggle location mode between high accuracy and device only, and reboot again. If problems continue, perform a safe network or location services reset. And as a last resort, backup data and factory reset, or contact device support for firmware reflash guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.